first of all, we are going to grind 4 big pieces of shallots, 10 pieces of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 15 grams of turmeric, and 4 pieces of red hot chili. And we add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. If you prefer spicy, of course you can add more chilies. So now we saute the paste, then we are going to add 500 grams of chicken. 10 minutes earlier I had seasoned the chicken with lime juice and 1 teaspoon of salt just to get rid of the chicken smell. And I choose boneless and skinless chicken type because it just tastes better for me. Then add 5 until 7 kaffir lime leaves and 1 lemongrass. Mix it well. Meanwhile, here I have prepared pandan leaves, which we will chop finely. And for an authentic recipe, pandan leaves should not be skipped. So it's been 10 minutes. We want to check whether all the spices are well absorbed. The smell of the lime leaves and the lemongrass convinced me that all the ingredients are well absorbed now. And now is the time to season it with 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I want to give a little bit more flavor, and I add 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock. And one of the most important thing is coconut milk. You need 250 milliliters of coconut milk. Look here, I have a pot of kemangi plants, and this is also known as Thai basil in Germany. You can find it in most of Asia supermarket. I think this is not too difficult to get it. Let me tell you something, but this is not a secret. Chicken Tuturuga comes from Manado, and Manado is the capital city of Indonesian province of North Sulawesi. They use kemangi leaves in most of their recipes. This is one of its characteristics. It tastes so fresh, so delicious. How to explain it? Try yourself at home. We are finished now. It goes so well with rice. So you're gonna eat it with rice. Thanks for watching my very first cooking video. I hope you enjoy it. And stay tuned for my next videos. Cheers! Yeah.